Hey Mob, welcome back to Deadly Kindies. Today we are doing a little activity that is creating a little crocodile. And you can also put a magnet on the back of it to create a fridge magnet. And then when you put your artwork up that you bring home from kindy, you can just pop it on the fridge and use it as your little crocodile magnet. The only things we need are a peg, some googly eyes, some PVA glue and some green paint. So I'm going to get started by painting this peg all green. I'm going to make sure I paint everywhere. And this is just one peg that you can get from your clothesline if mum lets you, or dad or grandma. And we've just got some green paint and a paintbrush. In this little tub is some PVA glue. Oh, I'm going to make sure it's all green so you can't see any of the peg underneath. And now we have to wait for it to dry just a little bit so the PVA sticks. All right, I'm going to add some PVA onto my eyes now. There's one eye. I just had to wait a little bit for the peg to dry so the PVA doesn't, whoop, there we go, doesn't slide off. And there we go. We've got our little crocodile peg fridge magnet ready to go for all of the deadly artwork my little boys are going to bring home from kindy. Thanks for joining me. Can't wait to see you next time.